C. Match the given words to the pictures. Log, bow, box, boy, dog. D. Write the words "one has been done for you." M-O-D, mod. R-O-D, rod. P-O-D, pod. N-O-D, nod. C-O-D, cod. S-O-D, sod.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.